Hello and welcome. In this video, we shall be going through how to install the application to get Udemy courses for free. We are going to begin by installing Python. I am going to open any web browser and I need to search for Python download here. Let's open the first link from python.org, and from here I need to install the latest version available. Let's just wait until it's downloaded. Now if you cannot view the downloaded file, you need to press Ctrl plus J, and whichever browser you are using, it will take you directly to your downloaded files. We are going to click the topmost file. I am going to click install Python and it would install Python automatically. There is no need to launch when ready, and there we have Python installed successfully. So in order to test that Python is properly installed, we are going to go here and I am going to search for command prompt. If I am using Mac or Linux, I can follow the same steps. I just need to type terminal here instead of command prompt. Let's open up command prompt and I am going to type python -v here. Let me add the command here as well. It might take a few seconds to set up Python. Perfect. Now that Python is installed, we can move on to step 2. So now you shall be given a copy of that URL in the email or message you received. You just need to copy that URL, open it in the browser, and you will be presented with a download button. Let's click the download button. It's downloaded. Just remember to press Ctrl plus J, and I am going to click that button over here to open this in a folder. And let's copy and place it somewhere where I can find it more easily. I am going to create a new folder. Let's name it Udemy underscore coupons, and place the file in there. I am going to extract it using either WinRAR or whichever zip software is available. Now that it's extracted, we need to go into the scraper folder. We have two folders here. We need to go into the scraper one. And here I need to open terminal. Now if I am using Mac or Windows, I can just click on the path here and type cmd to open Windows. If you are having any issues in this section, just let me know in the comments and I shall get back to you. Now in the terminal, I need to write a command. This is pip install -r requirements.txt. Again, I am going to place the complete command here. I am going to press enter, and it shows that pip is not a food. We can instead use an alternate command. I am going to go python-m pip install-r requirements.txt. It might take a few minutes to run, but we need to perform it only once. I am going to let it run. Let me replace that command as well. If you are using Linux or Mac, you should be able to go with the pip install command. Otherwise, you will need to use the python-m command. Let's continue waiting. And there it's done. Now we have completed the setup. We don't need to repeat those steps again. We can just run the software whenever we want. In order to run the software, we are going to go back in the same folder. I am going to open terminal in the same fashion, and I need to run python main.py. Again, I am going to place the file command here. You can tell that it's working properly because it's going to open a Chromium like window and it's going to navigate to Udemy automatically. You don't need to do anything here. It's going to complete all those steps automatically and close the browser. And now that it's done running, it would generate a file called coupons.json in the same folder. We can double click it to open. I'm going to select Notepad, and at the moment there were no valid coupons available, so it shows an empty array here. What you need to do, let me grab a more complete version of this file. Okay, there we go. And basically all we need to do is inspect those stats, and if we want to avail the coupon, we are going to copy this URL, coupon URL here, copy it, open it in any browser, and we get coupon code to get this course for free. This coupon is now expired, but when we would be testing, we would be testing with latest available coupons. So that's pretty much it. You can extend it further to run automatically and set up a website like system that you would be able to access anytime to get the latest available coupons. However, I am not going to go through that at the moment. If you would like me to go through those steps as well, just let me know. So that's it, and thank you for watching.